Hello future engineers, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're still new to my channel and you like what I'm doing, please don't forget to share my videos to your friends and to your friends' friends, to your younger brothers and sisters who would want to take up engineering in the future, and to your relatives. That's one way you can keep me going, inspired and refreshed. Now, if you find my videos interesting and important to your studies, also please don't forget to subscribe. Hello future engineers, here are another problems in calculus. If you want to anticipate the solution, then you may do so by pausing the video. So this is calculus 3.47. Find f prime of a. So mean to say the derivative of the function when x is a. So if f of x is 3 minus 2x plus 4x squared, then the derivative of 3 is 0, f prime of x 0. Derivative of negative 2x is negative 2, then 4 times x squared, derivative of x squared, 2x. Simplifying, that's negative 2 plus 8x. Because we are going to evaluate f prime of a, so x is a, so therefore f prime of a is 8a minus 2. 8a minus 2. So for the second problem, f of t is 2t plus 1 over t plus 3. This is our guide, derivative of u over v is denominator, derivative of numerator with respect to t minus numerator u, derivative of denominator dv dt, all over denominator square. So f prime of t is denominator t plus 3, derivative of 2t plus 1 is 2, minus numerator quantity 2t plus 1, derivative of t plus 3 is 1, all over denominator t plus 3 square. Simplifying, f prime of t is 2t plus 6, then minus 2t minus 1. Then we can cancel 2t, then 6 minus 1 is 5, all over t plus 3 quantity square, replacing t by a, so f prime of a is 5 over quantity a plus 3 square. Number 3, f of x is quantity. We rewrite this so that we can apply power formula into quantity x plus 2 raised to negative 1 half. So f prime of x is negative 1 half. Then times quantity x plus 2 to the negative 1 half minus 1 by power formula. Then the derivative of x plus 2 with respect to x is 1. Simplifying, that's negative 1 over 2. Then bring down x plus 2 to the negative 3 halves. It becomes x plus 2 to the positive 3 halves in the denominator, replacing x by a. So f prime of a is negative 1 over 2 quantity a plus 2 raised to 3 halves. Number 4, f prime of t is 4t cubed minus 5. Replacing t by a, so f prime of a is 4a cubed minus 5. Then number 5, f prime of x, this one, again, we have numerator over denominator. So denominator, derivative of x squared plus 2 is 2x. Then minus numerator quantity x squared plus 2, the derivative of the denominator, derivative of x minus 2 is 1. Then divided by denominator square. Simplifying, 2x squared minus 4x minus x squared minus 2 all over x minus 2 quantity squares. Combining like terms, 2x squared minus x squared is x squared. Then negative 4x, negative 2 all over x minus 2 quantity square. Replacing x by a, so f prime of a is a to the fourth minus 4a minus 2 over quantity a minus 2 square. Then number 6, this is derivative of square root of u. So du dx over 2 square root of u. That's the guide. So f prime of x, derivative of 3x plus 1. Imagine 3x plus 1 is u is 3 all over 2 square root of u. So 2 square root of 3x plus 1. Replacing x by a. So f prime of a is 3 over 2 square root of 3a plus 1. For the next batch of problems, exercises, each limit represents the derivative of some functions f at some number a. State such an f and a in its case. So for number 7, limit as h approach 0 of quantity 1 plus h raised to 10 minus 1 all over h. So this is our guide. F prime of a is equal to limit of f of x minus f of a over x minus a as x approaches a, or limit as h approaches 0 of f of quantity a plus h minus fa over h. So depending on which of these two appear in the problem, then let's use that, where x is a plus h. So because this is 1 plus h, so we use this guide. So it is limit as h approaches 0 of f of a plus h. So raised to 10. So that's 1 plus h raised to 10. So that means f of x is x to the 10, and a for that part is 1. A for that part is 1. So x to the 10, a for that part is 1. Or the other way around is f of x equals quantity 1 plus x raised to 10, then a is 0. Now let me explain this part here. So f prime of a, or f prime of 1, is equal to limit of quantity 1 plus h raised to 10 from this expression here minus f of a. So if this is f of x, f of a is 1 to the 10. So minus 1 to the 10. And 1 to the 10 is 1. So that's why this is limit of quantity 1 plus h raised to 10 minus 1 all over h. So f of x is either x to the 10, or f of x is 1 plus x quantity raised to 10, where a is 0 for this second possible answer. Number 8, f of x is, this is the function 4th root of square root of x, or x to the 1/4, and a is 16. Or f of x is 4th root of square root of x plus 16, where a is 0. This is the explanation. So it is in terms of h. So f prime of a is limit as h approaches 0 of 4th root of 16 plus h minus 4th root of a. Since 4th root of a, 4th root of 16 is 2, so that's why you have there minus 2 all over h as h approaches 0. So this would be the two possible functions. 4th root of x, a is 16, or 4th root of quantity x plus 16, where a is 0. Number 9, limit of 2 to the x minus 32 over x minus 5. So a is 5, obviously, while f of x is 2 to the 6, 2 to the x. So this is the explanation for number 9. So f prime of a is limit as x approaches 5 of f of x. So f of x is that defined function 2 to the x minus f of a. And f of a is a to the 5. Since a is 5, 2 to the 5 is 32. That's why you have that 2 to the x minus 32 limit as x approaches 5 all over x minus 5. So that's the function f of x. Number 10, so limit of tangent x minus 1 over x minus pi over 4 as x approaches pi over 4. So a is pi over 4. And this is our solution. This is our guide. So since I predicted that f of x is tangent x, so it should be limit as x approaches a, or pi over 4, of tangent x minus tangent of a. F of a is tangent of pi over 4 because a is pi over 4, all over x minus pi over 4. Note that tangent of pi over 4, or tangent 45, is 1. So that's tangent x minus 1 over x minus pi over 4, which is the same as that, as x approaches pi over 4. So therefore, f of x is equal to tangent of x, and a is pi over 4 for that case. The other possible function is f of x equals tangent of quantity x plus pi over 4, but a for that case is 0. Number 11, limits of cosine quantity pi plus h close plus 1 all over h. So we use this expression here. So we predict that the function is cosine of x, and a is pi. So that cosine limit as x approaches pi, if you use this expression here, that's cosine of x minus cosine of pi over x minus pi. Where pi, cosine of pi is -1. -1 times negative, so +1. That's why you have there +1. Or, this is the other expression, limit as h approaches 0 of cosine of quantity pi plus h minus cosine of pi, because h approaches 0, all over h. So that's cosine of pi is -1 times negative, so positive. So this is the function cosine x. And a is pi, or f of x equals cosine quantity pi plus x, and a is 0 for that case. Finally, number 12, limit of t to the fourth plus t minus 2 over t minus 1 as t approaches 1. So a is 1. A is 1, definitely. Then the function is expected to be, or predicted to be, t to the fourth plus t. So if we check limit as t approaches 1 of f of t minus f of a, f of 1, which is 1 to the fourth plus 1. That's why we have minus 1 plus 1, so minus 2, because this is minus 2 there, over t minus 1. So that's it, which is equal to that. So those are the my answers, and I hope that you also get, those who attempted to solve this problem also got the same results.